Here we have the 2018 Honda Accord EX. Full LED lights, headlights, daytime running lights, and fog lights. Power windows, door locks, and side mirror controls. Hands-free to answer phone as well as use voice activation features. Adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist. Nice large display with smartphone connection, ability to connect up for Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Dual climate control, power ports, USB port for smartphone integration, Econ mode, power brake hold, electronic parking brake, additional power ports, nice moonroof, back seat with air control vents, capless fuel filler, backup camera, all-weather floor mat in the cargo tray, you'll have your spare tire kit, and under this is the spare tire. Also have a 60-40 split fold down for the back seat. Whenever you do need additional storage space. This is the 2018 Honda Accord EX.